In our quest for a healthier lifestyle, we often turn to foods that are marketed as healthy options. However, not all of these foods live up to their reputation. In this video, we will uncover foods you thought were healthy but aren't, helping you make better choices for your diet and overall well-being. Let's kick things off with a classic, granola bars. I know. These are supposed to be the go-to snack for anyone on the move, right? But did you know that most granola bars are actually packed with added sugars and unhealthy fats? Even the ones that say organic or natural might be hiding a bunch of syrups and preservatives. Instead, why not make your own granola bars at home? All you need are some oats, honey, and seeds. A lot healthier, and you know exactly what's going into them. Next up, flavored yogurt. Look, I get it. Low-fat flavored yogurt is marketed as a great way to start the day. But have you checked the label recently? Most of these are filled with added sugars to compensate for the lack of fat, meaning you might be consuming more calories than you would with regular full-fat yogurt. My advice? Go for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fresh fruit for a little sweetness without all the sugar. Alright, let's talk about store-bought smoothies. These can seem like a great way to get your fruits and veggies, but honestly, many of them have more sugar than a can of soda. It's always better to make your own smoothies at home. Use fresh or frozen fruits and a handful of greens, and you control exactly what's in it. Trust me, your body will thank you. And then we have salad dressings. Oh, these can be a huge trap. Even light or low-fat dressings often contain a ton of added sugar and artificial ingredients. Instead of buying pre-made dressings, make your own at home. It's easy. Just mix some olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Not only is it tastier, but you also avoid all those unwanted additives. Now, let's talk about veggie chips. They sound like a healthy alternative, but most veggie chips are made from powdered veggies and starch, then fried. That's right, they're pretty much the same as regular potato chips in terms of calories and nutrients. If you're craving something crunchy, try making your own kale chips or roasted chickpeas. You get that crunch, but also real nutrition. Before we keep going, if you're finding this information useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps me out and ensures you won't miss more tips on keeping your diet clean and healthy. Now, let's jump back in. One more that really gets people, dried fruit. It seems healthy, right? After all, it's still fruit. But dried fruit is extremely concentrated in sugar, and most of it even has added sweeteners. Instead, go for fresh fruit whenever you can. You get more fiber, fewer calories, and a lot less sugar. And let's not forget fruit juice. It's marketed as a healthy drink, especially if it's 100% natural. But think about it. Juicing strips away all the fiber, and you're left with sugar water. If you want the benefits, just eat the whole fruit or blend it into a smoothie with the pulp. How about those protein bars? You might think they're the perfect post-workout snack or an easy meal replacement. But many of them are actually candy bars in disguise. They're loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial flavors, despite what the labels claim. So, instead of grabbing a protein bar, reach for something like a handful of nuts, a boiled egg, or some Greek yogurt. You'll get the protein you need, minus all the unnecessary sugar and additives. Let's move on to sushi rolls. Sushi is often thought of as a light, healthy meal, but not all sushi is created equal. Specialty rolls, like those with tempura, spicy mayo, or cream cheese, can be loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and refined carbs. Plus, the sticky white rice used in most sushi contains added sugar. To keep your sushi healthy, opt for sashimi, just the fish without the rice, or simple rolls with fresh fish and veggies, without all the extra sauces. So there you have it, some of the biggest health food offenders that really aren't all that healthy. The key takeaway here? Always check those labels and try to make as much as you can from whole, natural ingredients. Your body deserves the best. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional dietary or medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on healthy living. Drop a comment below if there's a food you want me to investigate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.